Hello and welcome to Saurav's classes. Today we are discussing the Delhi University MA Economics paper. This question talks about a random variable x which has a standard normal distribution, and we are asked to find the probability of x lying in the interval of 2 to 3 with a closest guess, that means approximate value. So we know that the probability density function of an of a standard normal distribution is given by 1 by root over of 2 pi e to the power minus x square by 2, and the probability of x lying in any interval, let's say 2 and 3, is given by integral of 1 by root over of 2 pi e to the power minus x square by 2 dx. This can be written as 1 by root over of 2 pi integral of 2 to 3 e to the power minus x square by 2 dx. Now we will call this integral as I. So I is equal to integral of e to the power minus x square by 2 dx, and we will find the value of I, and then we will put it in the limits to find the value of probability of x. So notice that in this integral we have to perform an integration by parts, but if we take dx as the integrable function, then the integral will have terms in terms of e to the power minus x square by 2 into x plus x square plus x cube and so on, and it will not be a convergent function. So we cannot definitely take dx as the integrable function. So therefore we have to somehow bring in e to the power minus x square by 2 as the integrable function. So we know that differential of e to the power minus x square by 2 with respect to x is minus x e to the power minus x square by 2. So therefore we have to bring in a minus x in the numerator. So therefore this can be written as minus of integral of minus x e to the power minus x square by 2 dx over x. So this can be now integrated in the form minus of d of e to the power minus x square by 2 over x. So this will give us minus of e to the power minus x square by 2 over x minus integral of e to the power minus x square by 2 into differential of 1 over x is minus x square dx. So this can be written as e to the power minus x square by 2 over x minus of integral of minus x e to the power minus x square by 2 dx over x cube. So this can be written as minus of e to the power minus x square by 2 by x minus integral of d of e to the power minus x square by 2 over x cube will be e to the power minus x square by 2 over x cube plus integral of e to the power minus x square by 2 and differentiating 1 by x cube will give us minus 3 over x4 dx. So now we understand that the terms will be in terms of e to the power minus x square by 2, e to the power minus x square by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 by x cube minus 3 by x5 and so on. So this is the form of the terms in this integral, and this will go on. Now since we are asked to find a closest guess, we can ignore the rest of the terms because as the powers will increase, the reciprocal of the powers will decrease rapidly. So we ignore the rest of the terms and we just focus on the first two terms. So therefore, this can be approximated in terms of the first two terms. So therefore, this can be approximated as minus of e to the power minus x square by 2 over x into 1 minus 1 by x square, ignoring all other terms. So this is e to the power minus x square by 2 over x into 1 by x square minus 1. This is the final form of the integral. Now we will put this integral back in the probability of x to find the value of it. So now probability of x will be equal to 1 by root over of 2 pi into I would be e to the power minus x square by 2 over x into 1 by x square minus 1, the entire thing lying between 2 and 3. So we put the values now. So this would be 1 by root over of 2 pi into e to the power minus 9 by 2 over 3 into 1 by 9 minus 1 minus e to the power minus 4 by 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1. So this would be the final value, and if we calculate this approximately, 1 by root over 2 pi is 1 by root over of 2 into 3.14, and then e to the power minus 9 by 2 over 3 will give us 0.011 over 3 into 1 by 9 minus 1 is minus 8 by 9 minus e to the power minus e square would be 0.135 by 2 into 1/4 minus 1 is minus 3 by 4. So this is equal to, now you see 2 into 3.14 is 6.28, and the square root of that would be roughly 2.5. So 1 by 2.5 into 0.135 into 3 by 8 minus 0.088 over 27. So this is this is equal to 1 by 2.5 into 0.05 minus 0.003, and this is roughly 0.19. So we can see that the value of probability of X will be roughly in the range of 0.019 or 0.02, and in the given option we can see that only option 4 is the closest, which is 0.025. Now you remember that we did a bit of approximation by leaving out the rest of the terms. So if we had taken those terms, it would have come closer to 0.025. So 0.025 is the correct answer.